Hi there, my name is Ethel AnimA and I'm really happy to see you here on your first lesson for AnimA Fusion dance style. I'm a dancer, teacher and artist and I have more than 1,200 students from all over the world and I'm really happy about this. In just 15 minutes you feel strange, softness and the pleasure of the movements. This is not about dance. It's about step toward yourself, toward femininity, confidence, inner peace, and happiness. Let's start. Today we will learn 5 movements and combinations from AnimA Fusion dance style. But first we need to talk a little bit about our basic posture. We use it all time when we dance. So the idea that our shoulders always go a little bit down, so we go up, back and down, so we need to stretch our neck line, our neck shoulder line. So the next step is our chest. We always go a little bit to the top, so we need to open our rib cage. The next thing is our lower back. So we need to make our knees soft. That means that you can straighten them and you can bend them at the same time. So the idea that you are staying on your heels and you can up your toes. So you have soft knees and then what you need to do with your hips, you need to rotate a little bit your pelvic. It feels like you want to sit down to the chair, but you don't. So you have straight lower back. And our arms. Our elbows go a little bit back and to the top, and we have one line in our arms. So shoulder, elbow, wrist, and our hands. So let's check one more time. Shoulders, chest, soft knees, you stay on your heels, a little bit rotate your pelvic, you have soft belly muscles here, and your arms. And one more thing, your chin goes a little bit to the top. And check your lower back, it's straight. So our 5 combinations and movements, and the first one is Floreo. We do this movement with our arms, and you need always remember about our basic posture. We go with right arm by circle, and then with left arm by circle. So right and left. We have several points. We go with right to the left, down to the right and to the top. With left to the right, down, left and to the top. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The next combination called body wave, and we start it to the diagonal. We go with our arms from the top down and then open. So 1, 2, 3, 4. At the same time, we move our body and we start from chest. So we go with our chest to the top. So to the top, then we go a little bit back, but hold our lower back. Then we go in, and then release our lower back. And then we go to the basic posture again. So our lower back is straight. Again, like 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have this body wave in our body. Let's try with arms. 1, 2, 3, 4. And don't forget about your lower back in the end. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next movement is arms undulations, and we will do arms undulations to the sides. So we start this movement in our basic posture, so don't forget about that. And we start with elbow. So my arms, they in the little bit lower position than before. We had this position and now our arms here. So we start with elbow. Elbow to the side and then wrist to the side. And then elbow in and wrist in. So elbow, wrist, elbow, wrist, elbow, wrist, elbow, wrist. The same things we will do with our left arm. So elbow, wrist, elbow, wrist. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we always need to remember that we control our arms, and when we push our elbow to the side, that means that we use our muscles, we use biceps muscles for that. So we start with right. 1, 2, 3, 4. So right, left, right, left. And the next combination is called Maya, and this one is from my author's AnimA Shadows vocabulary. So we start these movements with our hips. We start with right. The idea that we have figure 8 all the time. So we go up with our hip first, then we push it to the side, then we go to the horizon, and then we go to the center. So we have 4 points for each hip. Up, side, horizon, center. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up, push to the side, horizon, center. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And our arms go to the top. From the center, from the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So for 4 counts, we go up with our arms. For 4 counts, we open our arms. During this movement, we do Maya with our hips. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the last combination that we will learn today is called Mermaid, and I really love this combination from AnimA Shadows vocabulary level 1, so I can't wait to share it with you. So we start with our right arm and we go to the left side. So we do this circle with our arm and we turn our upper body to the left side. So 1, 2. Then we turn to the right side and we do the same thing with our left arm. 3, 4. And then we have chest circle. So you just push your chest to the left side, to the top, to the right side, and then you go to the center. And please remember all things we do with our basic posture. So you should keep your lower back straight. And during this chest circle, our arms here. So we use only our upper body for this movement, for the last part of this mermaid combo. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 5 combinations and movements. So let's dance first without music, all these combinations in a row. We start with Floreo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we turn to the diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we turn forward with arms undulations. 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we have Maya. We start with right hip. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we have Mermaid combo. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. If you need to repeat combinations separately, you can just return to the previous explanations and return and dance them with me. So let's try now with music. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Body weight. 1, 2, 3, 4. Arms undulations. 7, 8. Maya. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Mermaid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more time. And Floreo. Body weight. Arms undulations. Maya. Mermaid. Thank you so much for watching this video and practicing with me. I hope you enjoyed these combinations and small choreography that we danced together. And I would love to see you in my classes if you want to continue. I created courses for different levels and I launch them 1 time per year. At the same time, I have online club and intensives, workshops. All the details and useful links you can find under the video.
Subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notifications, follow me on Instagram. Let's be in touch.
So see you again soon with all my love, Ethel.